So what are the best penny stocks to buy on January 28th, 2025? Well, number one stock is Selexion Therapeutics, stock symbol SLXN. It is up today 96% or 56 cents, trading at $1.14. Since this morning, it already traded 163 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $5 million. So this is an interesting pharmaceutical penny stock. 6 months ago, it was trading at $20 a share. Then they couldn't produce, I guess, any positive news, any kind of positive results for the clinical trials. But basically, whatever medication they were working on was still kind of like work in progress. However, some kind of news were released today, and suddenly the stock is number one gainer among penny stocks on the market, basically doubling in one day. At the same time, the stock was not really being traded for the last 6 months, just a few hundred shares every day, if that. And suddenly it's 164 million shares, which means that there's a lot of new buyers who are entering this stock and pushing the prices, very, very high. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what kind of news they released. And if this news sounds pretty good, maybe put some money into it, because guess what? Even if you miss that jump today and decide to invest at the stock at $1.14, and it goes back to its previous levels where it used to trade 6 months ago to $20, I mean, you could make 20 times your money. So this is like winning a lottery. So take a look, see what's going on there. Selexion Therapeutics, stock symbol SLXN, only $1.14 a share. Next one is IMAC Holdings, stock symbol BACK. It is up today 43% or 36 cents, trading at $1.18. Since this morning, it already traded 52 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is only $3 million. So, not sure what this company does, but 6 months ago, it used to trade at $2 a share. Then it collapsed to like 70 cents a share. All this time, it was pretty much, not really being traded. People didn't really want to touch it, but suddenly some kind of news arrived today and possibly yesterday, because we had a slight bump in trading volume and a little bit of price gain. But today, I guess this news fully played out and the market listened and obviously produced those major gains. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what kind of news they released, how promising they are for the future of the company, and if it sounds pretty good, then maybe put some money into it. Because if you jump in at $1.20 and it goes to, let's say, $2, I mean, you could make like 80% return on your money. So it could be worth your while. So IMAC Holdings, stock symbol BACK, only $1.19 a share. Next one is Trinity Biotech, stock symbol TRIB. It is up today 35% or 27 cents, trading at $1.03. Since this morning, it already traded 98 million shares. Market cap for the company is $30 million. So this is another pharmaceutical penny stock. 6 months ago, it used to trade at $3 a share. Then over the last 6 months, it collapsed to like 50 cents. While it was collapsing, nobody was trading it. It was basically unknown, unwanted, undesired stock. And obviously without buyer support, any stock would just collapse to its bare bottom. However, just like what happens with most pharmaceutical companies, they finally released some kind of positive news, probably about the medication they were working on, and suddenly the market heard it, listened, and I guess believed them, because suddenly we have 98 million shares being traded versus nothing for the last 6 months. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see, you know, how promising those news are, and if it sounds good, then, you know, put some money into it, because if you jump in at $1.05 and it goes back to, let's say, $3 where it used to trade 6 months ago, you could make 300% return on your money. So Trinity Biotech, stock symbol TRIB, only $1.06 a share. Next one is Mustang Bio, stock symbol MBIO. It is up today 19%, or 78 cents, trading at $4.94. Since this morning, it already traded 2 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $7 million. So this is another pharmaceutical penny stock based on the word bio in its name and also bio in its stock symbol. 6 months ago, it used to trade, listen to this, at $18 a share. Then obviously they couldn't produce any kind of good results, and the stock pretty much collapsed to like $3. So while it was collapsing, nobody was trading. There was an attempt to lift the price back on January 5th when the company, I guess, announced some kind of news, and the stock actually traded quite a bit of shares, like close to 30 million shares, and the price went up from like $9 to $12. However, the stock couldn't sustain itself at this price and collapsed to like $3. So whatever news they released today, you know, pretty much kind of gave the stock a second life, and it is trying to emerge from this constant decline and suddenly start to grow. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what kind of news they released, and if it sounds pretty good, then maybe put some money into it, because you know, pharmaceutical stocks are this breed of stocks that could go from 0 to $1 billion overnight, so to speak, if the medication really works. So take a look and see what's going on there. Mustang Bio, stock symbol MBIO, only $5 a share. Next one is Hepion Pharmaceuticals, stock symbol HEPA. It is up today 28%, or 4 cents, trading at 21 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 225 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is $2 million. That's a super tiny company. 6 months ago, it used to trade around $1. Then, just like for most pharmaceutical penny stocks, they couldn't produce any kind of positive news, and the stock collapsed to like 10 cents. So finally, something changed, and the company released some kind of news which attracted, you know, 226 million shares in trading volume, when before nobody was trading it. So that kind of tells you that everybody and their brother are trying to get on this deal and harvest those shares as quickly as possible, because even if you, for example, decide to buy it right now at 21 cents and this thing goes to its previous levels of $1, you could make 5 times or 500% on your investment. So that could be pretty lucrative, almost like winning a lottery again. So Hepion Pharmaceuticals, stock symbol HEPA, only 21 cents a share. So if you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website, 4pnn.com, and download my app called Penny Gems. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading. Bye-bye now.